But I mean, the good thing now, you're creating that for these kids right now.
Exactly.
And how has this impacted you though? Like, I understand what you've been given to these young people, but how has that impacted you?
Uh, it impacts me a lot, man. It makes me feel young again, man, and it helps me. It makes me accountable
Yeah.
too. So I have to creating. I got to practice what I preach. I got to make sure that I'm, keeping up on the trends of education and youth and how they think and how to really, I guess leave back some type of legacy with my family and with my kids, man. So, I kind of make the videos for my kids, even though they're a little too young to watch them yet. I want to leave back behind something where they can look and see my point of view, my philosophy, like my thoughts, like where I'm coming from and how I feel. So, just trying to grow, man. I think like our mind is like our body. Our body needs food, and our mind needs food, and that's knowledge. So, we have to keep, being smarter. That's one thing that I kind of felt like when I was in back in the day. I always felt like I really wasn't smart enough.
Mm.
So I read a lot, man. I look at a lot of stuff, man, because I feel like I need to know more.
Mm.
So I don't want nobody to, I don't know. I just felt like that.